Hello everybody, it's Mindy and I have some things to show you from GBFKE. I'm super excited. There's a couple here I am in love with and I can hardly wait to get started on them. So let's show you what we have. Thank you GBFKE for letting me pick out some fantastic things. I'm super stoked by a few of these, let me tell you what. All right, so here's the first one. Isn't it pretty? It's super pretty. I know you were zoomed way out, but I got some big ones there. I was preparing ahead of time for large paintings. Anyhow, isn't that pretty? Look at all the rainbow colors in that. There are 9 different drills. Got that stained glass effect going on and the beautiful butterfly and all the flowers. Super pretty. Toolkit, right? There's the toolkit. Let's look at our drills. So I am gearing up for Smashing the Specials coming up in January. I'm ready. I got stuff to work on. Let me tell you what. Okay. Here's our rhinestones. Orange, blue, a lime green, 2 purpley colors, blue. Look at those. Aren't those fun and pretty? Iridescent blue, like pearls. Love it. And some very pretty ice blue shards. So the shards are going to go in here and the pearls are going to go around the wings. It's beautiful, isn't it? I love it. All right, so that's the first one. What do you think? 30 by 30. We got another 30 by 30 coming up here. Here we go. It's a little birdhouse with some cardinals. I wish this one didn't have so much blank white space in the background, but I mean, it's still pretty. You could always like trim this and cut it out and put it on something else. You know what I mean? The options are there. Okay, these look like little pine cone trees or something. I don't know. It has 9 different types of drills. Let's look at them, see what we get. Love me a cardinal painting. All right, here's our colors. Red, gold, kind of like a champagne color, another red, a green, and a clear, and another gold. Then we have the AB red marquise. Those are always so pretty. Picks up so many colors. And red smooth pearl round balls, whatever we call those. All right, so that's that one. Super pretty. I like them. Okay. This one, oh my gosh, it's so cute. It's so cute. Okay, I'm getting in my happy place now. Look at her. Oh my gosh, she is the most adorable little snow girl. She's a snow girl and she has a present. She's going to give us a gift. Look at her hat, man. Woo. Her hat is fancy. She's got a scarf and she's wearing what? A cape, a coat, a gown. I don't know what she's got on, but she's super cute. I loved her. She has got 10 different drills. I think I have since seen her as an acrylic stand-up. Don't quote me, but I mean, they're coming out with new stuff all the time. They've got tons of like stand-up 3-dimensional things out there now. So much fun. Okay, let's see what we got. Well, let's start off with a bang. We got white pearl ABs. Love it. Love, love, love that. Red rhinestones, a brown. Oh, pretty lilac. Oh, yes, yes, yes. There they are. The iridescent clear rhinestones. I love those. Those are so pretty. Oh, goodness. I'm so happy that that is on there. Is it 5? Yes. So like all of this around her dress, this part on her scarf, around her hat. Oh, that's going to be so pretty. Green rhinestones, orange rhinestones. Okay, let's throw in some more iridescent. Iridescent marquise. Some smaller ones. Love those. Look at those. Okay. Boom, 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 right? Oh my gosh, that's so fun. Love it. We had a broken piece in there. I hope it's not one of the flowers that I actually need. Oh, she's so cute. I'm going to do her in January. And then these, oh my gosh, I love those. Iridescent, snowflakey, love those. So they're going up there in her hat and down here on her, that's a gown. It's got to be like a dress she's wearing, right? She's got a sleeve. I don't know. She's just super cute. I love her. Love her. This one is going in my short list for January. Okay, these next two, they're going in my list too. I am in love with these. When I got these and I opened up the bag, I had no idea, first of all, that they were this size. And I adore them. I adore them. Oh my goodness. If you've known me for any length of time, you know how much I love Snowman. And look at him. Look at him. There are either 6, 7, I don't know how many of these, but this is one of those things. I'm trying to collect them all, right? I got to get them all. Look how pretty that is. We got these white snowflakes, blue snowflakes. I mean, his hat, look at how cute that is. There's a lot to drill on this. Now, mind you, none of his body gets drills. The inside of the scarf does not. It gets outlined with drills. His face, no drills, just on his eyes, nose, and mouth. Parts of the hat, no. All this ruffly stuff in the background, this doesn't get any drills, all right? But all of these flowers and things all around get drills. I just love it. It's got 14 different drills, and I'm guessing they're all going to be blue and white. Well, except there might be a few little browns and oranges, but I love it. It's a 40 by 50 size. I mean, that's going to be a little short of that, but still. Oh, and it's got some fantastic, fantastic large gems, you guys. Just hold your socks on. Are you ready? Okay, so first of all, we have, they're almost like a grayish clear. I don't know. They're not totally clear. They got a tint to them. How about some pretty blue? You're getting most of the silver backings, but it's a very pale blue, darker blue, a little tiny bit of black. That's like a gray. A little bit of red. Where's the red go? In its eyes? Okay, that's weird. That might be weird. I don't know. Gold, and here is clear. So this one back here, like I said, it has some tint to it. It's not perfectly clear, because these are the clear. Got a little bit of a tint to it. Okay, here's the fun stuff. How about some big white pearls? Fun. How about some large, no, oval blue faceted. Those are very pretty. How about some little pink iridescent teardrops? How about some pretty pink little faceted rounds? How about these guys? Love those. Love those. Those are like these huge teardrops in an icy blue. And then we have the iridescent clear marquise. Come on, really? I'm in love. I'm in love. Okay, it's adorable, right? Adorable. Now, if you like that one, you'll probably like the next one. Maybe you'll like this one better. I don't know. But look at him, right? Like I said, I think there's 5 or 6. I don't know. I currently have 4 in my possession. different varieties. So again, like all of the swirly stuff in the background does not get any drills on it. The actual snow part of the snowman, look at those. These are a drill. Oh my goodness. There's a whole bunch of those big, huge ones. Wow. So this one's like pink and purples, pink and blue, purpley, pink, blue, blah, blah. You know what I'm trying to say, right? It has 12 different drills. So look at his hat. Him's got a fancy, tall hat, right? And flowers everywhere. It's so cool. I love these. You guys, these are my new favorite thing. I think these are my new favorite thing. Yep. 12 drills for this one. I can hardly wait to see what goes in these big spots there. That's a big drill. Oh, I just found them. They're in the bag still. Big 'em drill. Okay, let's see. What do we get? Okay, I think it's that tinted one again. Not totally clear. It's got a little tint to it. Some blue, some pink, some green. We have some leaves, another pink, a little bit of black, orange. Okay, look at there. Look at there. Kapow. That's a big drill, right? Pretty blue marquee. Love it. There's some of those little smaller, iridescent, clear. How about these guys? That's got to be all of these. All of those. Okay, and then we have these, right? That's the center of the flowers. Here, 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 right? So those are flower centers. I love those. They remind me of a candy I used to eat all the time as a kid. I love those. And then here's our big ones. Are you ready? Bam. Right there. Big old purple faceted. Love this. Oh my gosh, these are so cool. These are going in my box for January. They're going right straight into, I have a box. Some things I didn't finish last year. Last Smash and the Specials, I didn't finish. Okay, let's just, it's a snowman kind of day. I love my snowman, right? And then there's this little girl right here. Oh my gosh, these are my favorites out of the collection, right? They're my favorites. These are pretty. Don't get me wrong, they're pretty. But the snowmen just have a place in my heart. I don't know what it is. I just love snowmen. So there's what I have for you today. Let me know what your favorite is. If I had to pick between the snowmen, I don't know. I'd be hard pressed. Hard pressed to pick one. I like both of them for different reasons. All right. Thanks for watching, everybody. I hope you enjoyed. I will link these items below so you can check them out. I'm going to zoom out. There, we'll zoom out. You can get a picture of all of it. There you go. They'll be linked below, and you can go find them quickly and easily if you're interested. And you'll probably see the other ones pop up too. There's, like I said, there's a few of them. So thanks so much for watching, everybody. I hope you enjoyed, and I hope that you will hit the like button. And if you're new, subscribe and come back and see more videos. I have all kinds of videos on diamond painting, and I do books and crochet and lots of stuff. There's plenty here to keep you entertained. All right. Okay. I will talk to everybody soon. Have a great day.